Dogecoin, brought into the world from a web image, has developed into a genuine computerized cash with a dynamic local area, moved by its script calculation for openness and an exceptional inflationary model. With a culture of magnanimity, microtransaction capacities, and a notable image persona, Dogecoin stands apart as an easy-to-use and socially huge digital money. In the event that you're searching for Dogecoin cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Dogecoin Doge will go from now on, we will dissect the previous costs of Dogecoin Doge and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Dogecoin outline. Dogecoin is a digital currency that began as a cheerful joke in light of the famous Doge web image highlighting a Shiba Inu canine. In any case, what started as a hilarious idea before long picked up speed, and Doge turned into a genuine computerized money with a functioning and excited local area. Sent off in 2013, Dogecoin works on a decentralized and open-source blockchain, similar as Bitcoin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogecoin is 0.1226 and Doge is as of now positioned #8 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Dogecoin is 144,113,384 with a market cap of $17 to $671,901,736. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 21% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. We anticipate future Dogecoin cost expectations. Doge estimate by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Dogecoin. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Dogecoin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Dogecoin market cap, Dogecoin volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Dogecoin value expectation outline. Our Dogecoin long-haul figure for 2050 recommends Doge possibly running somewhere in the range of $118.96 and $136.43. Ongoing information shows Dogecoin is exchanging at $0.1 and $2.26. The cost of one Doge would reach as high as $0.2760 by 2025. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $2 or 2 mark. The typical extended cost for Dogecoin in 2040 is supposed to be $87.83, with possible difference somewhere in the range of $81.50 and $101.64. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.565. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.785 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.614. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2025 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at least degree of $1.381. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $760 with a typical exchanging cost of $24.62. Doge value conjecture for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2026 the cost of Dogecoin is determined to be at around a base worth of $693. The Dogecoin value worth can arrive at a limit of $1,450 with the typical exchanging worth of $791 in USD. Dogecoin Doge value forecast 2027. The cost of one Dogecoin is supposed to reach at any rate level of $5,147 in 2027. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.6353 with the typical cost of $0.598 all through 2027. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Dogecoin cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.7584 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $28.40 with the typical gauge cost of $0.7849. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $112. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $131 with the typical worth of $115. Dogecoin Doge Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.70 in 2030. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.2 with the typical cost of $0.76 all through 2030. Dogecoin Value Figure 2031. Dogecoin cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $2.39 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.93 with the typical gauge cost of $0.48. Dogecoin Doge Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $3.58 in 2032. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.14 with the typical exchanging cost of $3.71 all through 2032. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2033. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at least worth of $5.8 in 2033. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $6.18 with a typical exchanging cost of $5.23 all through 2033. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2040. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or businesses can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Dogecoin cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $81.50 and can reach as high as $101.64 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $87.83. Doge Value Gauge for 2050. Looking at verifiable execution gives setting. However, it is critical to perceive that previous exhibition isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least value worth of $180.96. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $136.43 with the typical worth of $124.51. Dogecoin Value Conjecture Facts. How high might Dogecoin at any point go? The typical cost of Dogecoin Doge could go to $0.1614 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $0.7849 mark. What will be the Doge most noteworthy figure cost for 2024? The Doge cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $1,785 toward the finish of 2024. What is the eventual fate of Dogecoin? The eventual fate of Dogecoin is profoundly subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to